Welcome to our new biochemistry channel. Today's topic is about carbohydrates and its functions. Chemically, carbohydrates are defined as aldehydes or ketone derivatives of polyhydric alcohols or as compounds which yield these derivatives on hydrolysis. Carbohydrates are the most abundant bioorganic molecules in nature. Hence, they are named as hydrates of carbon because it contains the main compounds as carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is literally carbohydrates are termed as hydrates of carbon. The empirical formula of carbohydrates are CH2ON with hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 2:1 as in water H2O, hence they are named hydrates of carbon. Carbohydrates are also called as saccharides. The term saccharide is derived from a Greek word saccharin, which means sugar. The common examples of carbohydrates includes ribose, glucose, fructose, galactose, sucrose, maltose, lactose, glycogen, starch, cellulose, inulin, etc. Some of the carbohydrates may also have nitrogen and sulfur in addition to carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Examples include chitin and mucopolysaccharides such as chondroitin, heparin, dermatan sulfate, hyaluronic acid, etc. These are carbohydrates which contains nitrogen and sulfur. Occurrence. Carbohydrates are the most abundant bioorganic molecule in nature than any other organic molecule. They are the chief source of energy and widely distributed both in plants and animals. Cellulose, starch and sucrose are the most abundant carbohydrates in plants, whereas glucose and glycogen are the main carbohydrates present in higher animals. Starch and glycogen are the most abundant storage polysaccharides in plants, whereas cellulose and chitin are the most abundant structural polysaccharides. Chitin is an important and major component of exoskeleton of arthropods like crabs, lobsters, prawns, insects such as ants, bees, houseflies, mosquitoes, etc. Chitin is believed to be the most abundant carbohydrate in nature after cellulose. Functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy in the body. Brain cells and RBCs are almost depend on carbohydrates as the energy source. Energy production from carbohydrates will be 4 kilocalories per gram. Starch and glycogen are the storage form of energy. Excess of carbohydrates can be converted into fat, which also can provide energy. The major dietary components are carbohydrates. Glucose is the major dietary component which is acting as the chief source of energy, especially for the brain cells, erythrocytes, growing fetus, lens and cornea of eyes. The indigestible carbohydrates serve as roughage. Fructose is preferred monosaccharide as a source of energy for sperms. Sucrose is used as a table sweetener in fruit syrups like tea, coffee, milk, sweet, ice creams, etc. and is main dietary source of fructose. Fruits and honey are sweet in taste mainly because of fructose they contain. Fruits and honey are also dietary sources of fructose. D-ribose, a pentose sugar, is a constituent of RNA and several coenzymes like NAD+, NADP+, FAD, FMN, etc. D-lixose, a constituent of lixoflavin, is present in human cardiac muscles. Galactose and glucose are constituents of glycolipids, glycoproteins, mucoproteins. D-mannose, which is obtained from mannans and gums, is a constituent of glyco and mucoprotein. Glucose and galactose are constituents of milk sugar. Amino sugars And sugar acids are constituents of monosaccharide of mucopolysaccharides, which produce gel-like ground substance to fill the extracellular space in various connective tissues and fluids. Example: tendons, bones, synovial fluid, cartilage, ligaments, vitreous humor of the eye, etc. Proteoglycans that are composed of extracellular core protein are covalently attached to glycosaminoglycans. These amino sugars are constituents of gangliosides, glycoproteins, erythromycins. D-glucose is a source of glucuronic acid in uronic acid pathway. Dextrans, a low molecular weight carbohydrate, is used as plasma expander in the case of blood loss and hemorrhage. Carbohydrates like cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin and gums cannot be digested in humans and serve as roughage dietary fibers. Agar cannot be digested in humans, therefore it has a roughage like action. Cardiac glycosides and aminoglycosides are used as therapeutic agents in medicines. Cardiac glycosides like digitonin are used in the treatment of cardiac insufficiency. Aminoglycosides are used to treat bacterial infections. Glucovanin, a natural glycoside, imparts vanilla flavor. In human body, carbohydrates are converted into other bioorganic molecules such as non-essential amino acid, fatty acid, glycerol, steroids, etc. Dietary carbohydrates have a protein-sparing action. Inulin, a polymer of D-fructose, is used to determine glomerular filtration rate in kidney function test. These are some of the functions of carbohydrates. Thank you for watching this video.